Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to walk through the steps on how to easily add captions and make your videos more accessible and professional by using the Clipchamp app. So let's get started. First of all, find the Clipchamp app on your home screen. Now open it. Now choose one video that you want to edit on the Clipchamp app. Here you can find the option of captions right here. Simply select it. Then you can choose the language of the captions from right here. Now choose the one language that you want to add. Next, you can also choose the fonts of the captions. Now choose the one that you want and tap to the check mark. Now after few seconds, the captions will be generated to your video. And that's how you add captions in Clipchamp. It's super easy and makes your videos more accessible. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.